and welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name is Chad Seeger, and today we have a savory treat that brings the beach to you no matter where you are, Baja Fish Tacos. The must-haves for this dish are fish, tortillas, cooking oil, flour, and salt. The optionals are going to be whatever you're going to put on top. The steps for making this dish are to prep your ingredients, make the batter, heat your oil, batter and cook the fish, and then assemble your taco. To get started, let's prep the ingredients. Cut the fish into 1.5-inch wide strips if possible. You want something that'll basically fit inside a taco. The pico de gallo is basically diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and finally with some fresh squeezed lime. Shred the cabbage into very thin strips. To make the chipotle mayo, simply add some chipotle seasoning or sauce into some mayo and mix. Finally, quarter some limes. To make the batter, simply add water to flour in a decent-sized mixing bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. Put your oil in a large pot and then heat it just below medium-high. While your oil's heating, take the rest of the flour and cover it in the fish. Mix it around. Now that the oil's heated, we're going to batter and cook the fish. You have to be very careful here because this oil is extremely hot and preventive measures should be taken. We're going to dip the fish right into the batter. Be very careful as we slowly enter it into the hot oil. Careful that it doesn't splash up on you. This oil is extremely hot and can be very dangerous. Again, so as you enter the fish into the oil, always move it away from you and very carefully. Use of a wooden slotted spoon will help you move everything around and make sure the fish doesn't stick to one another. Stick to the pot. Again, be very careful because this oil is hot. After about 5 minutes and when the fish starts to brown, kill the heat. Now you can take the fish out and lay them on the paper towel. Quickly salt them. So now we get to the fun part, assembling the taco. So we take a tortilla, lay some of the fried fish right at the bottom, and then everything else goes on top. Chipotle mayo, cabbage, and then the pico de gallo. Hi, and welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name is Chad Seeger, and today we have a savory treat that brings the beach to you no matter where you are, Baja Fish Tacos. The must-haves for this dish are fish, tortillas, cooking oil, flour, and salt. The optionals are going to be whatever you're going to put on top.